The problem is we are given an array. We have to sort all the even digits in ascending order and odd digits in descending order. But we cannot use any collections. Without using collections, we'll have to do this. So we can use two arrays. One array to store all the even numbers and another array to store all the odd numbers. And then at the end, we can print both of these. So let's look at this test case. So we are given 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it is already sorted, right? But in ascending order. Here we are given odd digits should be in descending order. We have to change that. Take two arrays, one for even and one for odd. But before declaring, we should know the size, right? So to know the size, we can use another for loop just to have a count of the even numbers. So while declaring even array, we can use this. So while declaring odd, we can subtract this from the size of actual array. So here 2 and 4, these are the only even numbers. So the number of even elements are 2 and number of odd elements should be total element 5 minus 2, so 3. So the size of the odd array is 3. So for even array take 2 and 4, that's it, no need to sort. I mean it is already sorted. And for odd array take 1, 3 and 5 and we'll have to sort this in descending order. So sort this and then we'll get 5, 3 and 1. Now print both of these. That's the approach. Let's move to the coding part. I'm going to be using IntelliJ for coding. So we've got size of the array and array elements. Now let us use another for loop to have count of the even I mean the number of even elements. Let us declare two variables to have the count of even and odd. So E represents number of even elements and O represents number of odd elements. So initially it will be 0. Let us keep it as 0. So here inside the for loop it checks each and every element. If the element is divided by 2, so it is even. So even will be incremented. If it is not, or the odd counter will be incremented. That's the logic here. Let us declare two more arrays, one for even elements and one for elements. Let us call it eve array to represent even array size of it. And so till now we've got inputs from the user for size of the array and the array elements. And we have used a for loop to find out the occurrences of even and odd elements. And we've also declared arrays to store the even and odd elements separately. Now let us fill these arrays with elements. So let us declare two more variables. So EI is to keep track of even indexes and OI is to keep track of odd indexes. So we filled in all the elements. Now let us use sorting algorithm. I'm going to be using selection sort. You can use whatever you're comfortable with. Quick sort would be most preferable, but it is not a problem. This is for even. Now I'm going to be using the same, but a change with a change of symbol for odd array. So this is the same code. I'll just change the array name. I'm going to be changing the symbol here. And it should be in descending order. That's it. So you sorted. It is in ascending order, and this one is for descending. Now printing. So we are done with printing. So let's execute it. Let us use the example test case. So here size is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to be using this. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. I've used println here. I'm sorry. So let's run it again. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2, 4, 5, 3, 1. 2, 4, 5, and 3, 1. That's right. Now let us execute second case. 6 elements. 5, 7, 3, 8, 4, 6. 6 elements. 5, 7, 3, 8, 4, 6. Output is 4, 6, 8, 7, 5, 3. 4, 6, 8, 7, 5, 3. That's right. So that's the code. This is the output. I'll post these on my GitHub page, and I'll leave the link in the description. So check them out.
Hi guys, I'm Uday Krishna. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.